There's something so beautiful about having a hobby, a little corner of life where we can create, slow down, and just be. So grab yourself a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and let me show you what I've been doing to help me unplug and put my phone down. Crafting with your hands, whether it's knitting a scarf, making a wreath, or a painting, or junk journaling, slows down the mind and lets you pour your personality into something tangible. And here lately, I have really gotten into collage journaling, or as some would call it, junk journaling. And it has been a cozy moment to have zero expectations on what it is I should be creating and doing. I just lay things out on paper and let some creative juices flow, and don't put expectations on myself, limitations. I just do whatever it is that I want. For a very long time now, I have felt like time is just going by so fast at an incredibly accelerated speed. And my personal thoughts and convictions are that I am contributing to that speed by constantly being on my phone and doom scrolling, mindlessly looking for the next thing that's going to make me happy or inspire me. And it is proving to be more frustrating. Like nothing will satisfy. Nothing that I watch will quench the desire of whatever it is I feel I have to see in order for me to be satisfied. I find myself in a place where I just scroll and scroll and scroll, and I end up getting frustrated because I want to put my phone down, but I can't. I want to see just something else that may or may not make me happy, just a little bit longer. And ultimately, that just never comes. And before I know it, 3 to 4 hours have already passed, and I couldn't tell you what I watched, what I scrolled through, what I learned. It's like that moment didn't exist. And it's like I'm just missing out on life. Hobbies are more than pastimes. They're a reminder to slow down, to savor life, and to create beauty in our own little corner of the world. This note was written for me in 2018, and as I was grabbing one of these books to show you, I found it in a rather odd place, but it was written to me by a friend who was encouraging me in my faith, and I completely forgot that I had that note. The current book that I'm reading, Forgiving What You Can't Forget, is so far a beautiful read. She's laying a pretty thick foundation of reminding you that life can be hard and to take it easy, creating a relationship between herself and the reader. She's creating that transparent place of unforgiveness that she held in her heart and some of the things that she went through. As she's building that relationship with you, you're prompted with things that you know you aren't forgiving of, and it made me ponder. It makes me think. I know this video was rather short, but it was very much so worth it to encourage you to get off of your phone, to do something that makes your mind happy, your hands happy, and helps your heart out too. Thank you for being here. So glad you could come and visit. Have a good week, friend. Love you. Stay cozy.